Hello and welcome back everyone. So you all are about to see me package up some orders. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I know you see the labels on some of the glosses, and yes, those were designed by yours truly, and I'll actually have another video all about those. But we're going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some Perel to my hands, and please keep in mind that before these tubes were filled with lip gloss, they were sterilized, and then they were sterilized post filling of the lip glosses, and I just like to keep everything sanitary, so that's why I'm applying hand sanitizer, because we want to just keep everything clean, hygienic, and sanitary. Yes. So right here I have my stickers. These are going to go on the bags that I put everything in, and please excuse my nails. As you all know, okay, forgive me, as we all know that the nail salons are not open for business, so it has been a struggle for since I've been looking crazy. Let me adjust this just a little bit so that you can see a little bit more, because this is not okay. Is that better? Not really. Okay, I think that might be a little bit better. Sorry y'all, I just want to make sure I can see what's tea. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the bag. Right. And so for one of my orders, I already got the glosses sitting over here. So she ordered one VVS gloss. Yep, this is the VVS gloss. She ordered one of these, and then she ordered two of the Juliet glosses. Okay, these do not have labels on them, so I'm going to go ahead and pull some that are already labeled. So boom, boom. Okay, and then I like to put a business card in there as well, so let me go ahead and grab that. Here are my business cards. I just put one of those in there. And I actually need some tissue paper, which I have everything sitting on, so I'll go ahead and do that last. I'll set that right there. And then the same thing for the next order. So this person ordered 9 glosses and wanted 2 of each, and then one last random one. So I'll go ahead and give her 2 of these ones, which are sativa, 2 VVS's, come on VVS, 2 of the 24 KT, 2 of the Juliets, and I will go ahead and put in another VVS. Okay, I will go ahead and put a sticker on this person's bag, and these are for local orders. That is why I'm putting them in bags. Otherwise, they would be in mailers. So go ahead and just set the order on top of the bag and get it out of the way. And again, I'm going to do the tissue paper inside the bag last. And this person, they're going to be getting, okay, 2 of the, and if you're wondering where I'm pulling these from, I have a big bucket of them. I actually need to go ahead and label some more, but they're getting 2 of the Juliet glosses, 1 of the, this one is sativa, 1 of the 24 KT. They are getting 2 VVS's. Perfect. I have those sitting right here. And that is all that they ordered. So let me go ahead and get another business card and stick that into the order. Okay, so I don't have any more on my desk, so let me go to one of my drawers and grab one. And let me go ahead and put a sticker on their bag. And this is pretty much how I package orders. Now, I know you are probably wondering where I got these stickers, right? These custom die cut stickers. I did get them from Sticker Mule, and I will put a link in the description so that way when you do go to order, you'll get $10 off of your first purchase. A little freebie from me to you. And I'll end up going to refill these. I like to keep these filled cute for display. I know you're probably wondering about these custom stickers. Again, I did create these stickers. I'm actually going to be creating another video, like I told you guys, featuring these stickers. I did make the logo myself. It was really easy. I like the fact that I included when this lip gloss expires. I know a lot of us lose our glosses before they can expire. Hello. But I did go ahead and put 18 months on here. You know, is when this gloss will expire. So this gloss is made with all organic ingredients, and I'm super excited to now have these a part of the Big Deal line, and they're only $3.50 right now, so go ahead and jump on those. I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to just stick these labels onto the gloss. It is super easy. So boom, I have my label. Now some people put theirs like going along this way. I don't do that for mine. I stand it up just like this, and I go ahead and I center it. Okay. And then I wrap it around just like a Band-Aid. And it looks really good. I'm satisfied with it. So I hope you all really liked this video. Don't forget to hit the link so that you can go ahead and get $10 off of your first purchase of die cut custom stickers. And again, I will be doing a video all about these stickers, and so that is why I did not go into much detail. So stay tuned for the video featuring these sticker labels that are created for these glosses. And as always, I really do appreciate you all for tuning in and watching my content. And I really hope you all stay safe and healthy as we go through this journey with COVID-19. My prayers to all of you. Keep washing your hands. Try not to go to public places unnecessarily. I just pray that God blesses you all and keeps you during this time.